Hi guys, today we're going to replace the handle on a 08 Ford Galaxy. This can apply to a Mark II, well it is a Mark II, a Mark III and an Smax. As you can see with this one it's pretty banged up, so decided to replace it there. Got the part here on eBay. It looks like a brand new genuine part. I'm sure, hey ho. Right, let's get started. Right, so the first thing we have to do is keep the camera so you can see. Right, you can see the wedge in here, or the gap I should say, and then we're going to wedge something in here today. I'm using a very technical butter knife, as you can see. So you have to get that in there on either side and pry it up. So there you go. This comes out here. There you can see the brake. So there's two Torx in here. It is normal Phillips head screws. So they'll come out in a minute. There you go. Cable just came out there. That'll go into the new one obviously. So just get the screwdriver now and we'll take this out. Right, there we go. There's two new screws that came with the new one, so just pop them in there. So if you don't have a Torx, which are the screw head types with the new one, you can always reuse those ones. I should just come off now. Bam. There's your handle. Exposed. I think I might give it a clean before I put the new one on. Right. Oh, let's see what we have in here. There's the new chrome bits. They're very delicate, so be careful with them. The handle, I'd say. Yeah. And the other bit. So now we have to get that onto there. Perfect. Right, here we go. So we'll install the bottom part first. As you can see, there's two holes in the bottom, but three holes up here. But you can see which ones are used. This one and this one. So it can only go one way really. I'm gonna screw the Torx into the two holes. That's that. I think it's a T8. So one goes in there. One goes in here. Do it enough until it's right, just tight enough. I want to break that plastic. There we go. Right, now we have to get the top handle on. We have to get the cable into this little hole here. There's only one way it goes. There's a little notch taken out there for it to go in, so it'll only go into one way. Like so. Oh, sort of coming out of the spring. Start again. And the 2 notches at the back of the chrome will go into the handle. And it came out. Press stop there. Right, so as you can see, the wire is gone back in. And there's only one way it goes. There's a little notch up here taken out of the hole, so it can only go in one way. And then these 2 clips will go down into the handle. Like so. Now we put the other bit of chrome on the back of it here. And that will eventually go in there like that. Well, we'll do that now. There we have it. All nice and neat. There's a bit, you have to apply a bit of pressure when trying to close them. I use my hand, some people use a grip. I wrapped a tea towel around it and just squeezed it as hard as I could, and I slot it right into place. Just check it there now. Yep, that's it. Cheers lads, it shouldn't take you more than 5-10 minutes to get that done. Take her handy. Bye bye.